everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. Today again Prime Minister Modi will seen in action will address 4 election rallies. Nepali Congress continues to lead, ruling alliance win 40 seats. 42 BJP leader leave from the Uttarakhand to heat the campaign. State President and Organisation General Secretary also went. England ranked second in ODI ranking after losing to Australia. India has chance to reach the top. Now news in details. There's now 1 week left for the first phase of voting in Gujarat. Voting will be held on December 1. The second phase of polling is to be held on December 5 and on December 8. It will be known whether the BJP will retain power in Gujarat or whether Congress and Aam Aadmi Party will win. Prior to this, all the political parties have given their full strength for the election campaign. The rhetoric on each other has also intensified. Big leaders have started holding election rallies. There is a such a village in Gujarat where election campaigning of political parties and their candidate is banned. Pakistan's court has rejected the petition related to granting visa to the Indian youth. In this petition, a youth from Kerala had sought the visa from the government of Pakistan to perform Hajj pilgrimage on foot, but the court did not approve it. Actually, Sayyab Bhai sought the visa so that he could enter Pakistan and then complete the marathon journey on foot to Mecca in the Saudi Arabia for Hajj. 3,000 kilometers. Sayyab Bhai, who hails from the entire Kerala, started the journey from his home state Kerala last month and has now reached the Wagah border after completing a journey of 3,000 kilometers. A major accident took place in the Kendrapara, Odisha. Around 30 people were injured when firework exploded during the emotion procession here. The injured have been admitted to the district hospital where they are undergoing treatment. The information was given by the Kendrapara district magistrate Amrit Rituraj. According to the Kendrapara DM Amrit Rituraj, an emotion procession was being taken out in the Balia Bazaar coming under the Sardar police station area of the Kendrapara. During the time there was sudden explosion while during fireworks in which about 30 people were injured. All the injured were admitted to the hospital. Now some international news. The ruling Nepali Congress lead coalition in Nepal has maintained its lead on the Thursday as well. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Sher Bahadur Deuba, the alliance has so far from the won 40 out of 65 seats. The Nepali Congress has so far won 25 seats in the 275 member parliament. The party is leading in 31 seats while Ali Party, CPN, Moaz Center have won the 7, CPN and Feed Socialist Party 6 and the Rashtriya Jan Morcha and the Democratic Socialist Party 1 each. Let us tell you, in the Nepali parliament with 275 members, 165 will be elected through direct voting while the remaining 110 members will be elected through indirect election system. Once again, there has been a sharp increase in the corona case in China. Daily COVID cases reached a record of 31,454 on Wednesday. This is the highest level since the beginning of the pandemic. Meanwhile, a lockdown has been imposed in the Zhengzhou following clashes between the worker and security personnel at the Apple plant. The figure of China's National Health Bureau have been shocked. With so many cases reported in a single day, the Chinese government, apart from the imposing lockdown, travel restrictions is also intensifying testing and vaccination to prevent further spread of the corona. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. The Indian cricket A team has been announced for the tour of Bangladesh. There is a great news related to this for Uttarakhand. Abhimanyu Aswana of Dehradun was made the captain of a team. There is a wave of excitement in the entire state as soon as the news of Abhimanyu Aswana getting the responsibility of the captain came. Dehradun's Abhimanyu not only made a place in the team which his game, but today he is going to lead this team. People across the state are congratulating him on his achievement. The Board of the Control for Cricket in India on Wednesday announced the update squad for the ODI series against New Zealand and Bangladesh. BJP State President Mahendra Bhatt released a list of 42 office bearers and senior workers of the campaigning at the assembly and ward level from the Uttarakhand in the Delhi Municipal Corporation elections. All the leaders have been instructed to go far for the election campaign. Of these, 14 people at the assembly level and 28 at the ward level have been sent to Delhi for the campaigning. For the first time in the Delhi MCD election, BJP has fielded a record 10 workers of Uttarakhand origin. State President and State General Secretary organization have also left for the election campaign. State media in charge Manveer Singh Chauhan told that a 14-member team under the leadership of former State General Secretary Suresh Bhatt will work at the assembly level. Now entertainment news. Rishabh Shetty's film Kantara continues to rock at the box office. Kantara is getting a lot of appreciation not only in the country but also abroad. The film has collected more than 400 crores worldwide and is still earning. Made in a small budget, this film has made many records till now. At the same time, now Rishabh Shetty has made a big disclosure about the climax scene of the film. The climax scene of Kantara is quite intense. During the filming of which Rishabh Shetty got hurt. During an interview, Rishabh Shetty told, "I had to shoot an action sequence in the night with the boy in the pre-climax of the film." Now sports news. There has been a big chance in the ICC ODI team ranking after the ODI series between Australia and England. After the defeat in this series, the England team has slipped to second place in the ODI ranking. Now New Zealand has got the benefit of this and the Kiwi team has reached the first place in the ODI rankings. With this, India has also got a chance to reach the first position in the ODI ranking. The Indian team can get the first place by winning the series against New Zealand. India will have to win all 3 matches against New Zealand to reach the number 1 position in the ODI ranking. If India and England win 2 matches, the point will be equal, but the calculation of rating point, the India team will be left behind and will be in the second place. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.